Alright, go ahead and light this thing off and see if it runs any better. When you rev it up real high and let it try to come back to idle, it doesn't want to run easily. So let's see what happens. Yeah, this tripod works too. Custom. Lift. There we go. That appears to be running. Alright, I'll take it for a ride and see how it works. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. Got it good and hot. About 50 at least stop signs between here and the freeway and then back again. It definitely does not like high speed on the freeway. She wobbled around a little bit. It blew the cap off. Now it's puking all inside the bike. Oh well. It lights the tire up real good too. Not that we would ever do that, of course. So anyway, I knew that oil cap was pretty lightly in there, but it didn't blow off on the up on the lake bed, but it does down here in the freeway. So got my oil leak. Nice big one. How much oil went down? It only dropped a little bit. 3/8 of an inch. Oil makes a big mess when it leaks. Alright. Well, I know what's wrong with the carburetor, but it didn't die like it used to, so I don't know. I have no idea what that problem was, but it's not there now. What is there now is the oil cap, obviously. But it does not want to pull in top gear. Or not top gear, when you're close to high gear. I think on the fourth. I think I hit fourth finally. We have to deal with the not running. It wants to not pulling up to the high speed. It starts gurgling on something. I don't know if it's too rich or too lean, but it ain't happy. So we'll have to figure out that. And the starter quit working. That was another problem. Good thing I parked on a hill. I'd bump start it. See if the starter will work now. Oh yeah, works great. Same problem we had before. So now we're definitely going to the primary cover. Got to do it anyway. I got to fix the oil leak. But yeah, I need a starter. Starter Bendix is not engaging. Starter motor is. Solenoid is. No Bendix. Bendix, so it moves it over and engages. Either that or the gear fell off. Don't know. Could be that too. All right, well, that's enough for today. We'll work on this a day or two. All right, that's it for now.